There are only 2,000 of these penguins left on Earth. Scientists say they could be gone by 2035. There are 18 species of penguin on Earth. Some stand 4 feet tall, others weigh less than a loaf of bread. One survives temperatures that would kill you in minutes. Another lives where you'd least expect, on the equator. And by the end of this video, you'll discover which species scientists fear may not survive the next 50 years. Let's meet them all. From the frozen edge of Antarctica to the sun-scorched shores of Africa, these are the 18 species of penguin, and each one is more remarkable than the last. 1. Emperor penguin, the largest of them all. Standing nearly 4 feet tall, emperor penguins endure the coldest winter on Earth, temperatures plunging to -60 degrees. Males huddle for months in complete darkness, balancing eggs on their feet. No other bird faces a breeding season this brutal. 2. King penguin, second in size but arguably more striking. That gradient of orange and gold across their chest isn't just beautiful, it's a signal. The brighter the color, the healthier the bird. They breed on sub-Antarctic islands, and their chicks spend over a year growing before they're ready to swim. 3. Adélie penguin. Don't let those innocent eyes fool you. Adelies are thieves. They steal pebbles from neighboring nests constantly. Scientists have watched single birds make over 100 heists in one breeding season. They're also one of only 2 species that live exclusively on the Antarctic continent. 4. Chinstrap penguin, named for the thin black line beneath their chin. These are the most abundant penguins in Antarctica. Colonies can exceed 1 million birds. They're aggressive, loud, and will fight anything that gets too close, including researchers. 5. Gentoo penguin, the fastest penguin in the ocean. Gentoos hit speeds of 22 miles per hour underwater, faster than any other species. That bright orange beak? It's a status symbol. Females prefer males with the most vibrant bills. 6. Macaroni penguin. Those golden crests aren't just for show. Macaronis got their name from 18th century British explorers who thought they looked like macaroni dandies, men who wore flashy, feathered hats. With nearly 18 million individuals, they're the most numerous penguin species on Earth. 7. Royal penguin, found only on Macquarie Island, a tiny speck between Australia and Antarctica. Royals look almost identical to macaronis, but with one key difference: white faces instead of black. Some scientists still debate whether they're truly separate species. 8. Rockhopper penguin, southern. They earned that name. Rockhoppers don't waddle up beaches. They launch themselves at cliffs, bouncing from rock to rock with both feet together. Those spiky yellow eyebrows give them a permanently punk rock expression. 9. Rockhopper penguin, northern. Slightly larger, slightly longer crests, and critically endangered. Northern rockhoppers have declined by 90% in some colonies. Climate change and overfishing are pushing them toward extinction. 10. Erect-Crested penguin. The rarest crested penguin. They breed only on 2 remote New Zealand island groups, and scientists know almost nothing about their behavior at sea. Their upright yellow crests look like permanent surprise. 11. Snares penguin, named after New Zealand's Snares Islands, and found nowhere else on Earth. The entire global population breeds on just one small island group. That makes them incredibly vulnerable. 12. Fiordland penguin. These penguins nest in rainforests, not ice. Rainforests. They dig burrows beneath tree roots in New Zealand's dense, wet forests. Seeing one feels surreal. A penguin walking through ferns and moss. 6 more species to go. And one of them, the very last, is the one scientists are racing to save. Stay with me. 13. Yellow-eyed penguin. Those piercing yellow eyes are unmistakable. Found only in New Zealand, they're one of the rarest penguins alive. Fewer than 4,000 remain. Unlike most species, they prefer solitude. They nest hidden in coastal forests, far from other pairs. 14. Little penguin, blue penguin. The smallest penguin on Earth. Standing just 13 inches tall, little penguins weigh barely 2 pounds. They're also the only penguin with blue feathers instead of black. Australians call them fairy penguins. 15. African penguins in Africa. Not a mistake. African penguins live along the southern coasts of Namibia and South Africa, the only species on the continent. They bray like donkeys, earning them the nickname jackass penguins. 16. Magellanic penguin, named after explorer Ferdinand Magellan, who first documented them in 1520. They nest in burrows along the coasts of Argentina and Chile and migrate north to Brazil each winter. Some swim over 3,000 miles in a single year. 17. Humboldt penguin. Living along the Pacific coast of Peru and Chile, Humboldts survive in one of the driest deserts on Earth, the Atacama. They've adapted to heat that would stress most penguins, but their population is crashing. 18. Galápagos penguin. And finally, the rarest, the most improbable, the one that shouldn't exist, Galápagos. Penguins live on the equator. The equator. They survive only because the Cromwell Current brings cold, nutrient-rich water to the islands, but that current is weakening. El Niño events are growing stronger. When the water warms, their food disappears. Fewer than 2,000 remain. Of all 18 species, this is the one balanced on a knife's edge. If ocean temperatures continue rising, the Galapagos penguin could become the first penguin species to go extinct in our lifetime. 18 species, 18 stories, from the frozen south to the tropical equator. If you made it this far, you now know more about penguins than most people ever will. Drop a comment. Which species surprised you most? And if you want to see more deep dives like this, you know what to do.